Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next lesson from the grammar textbook, that is the adjective and its kind, chapter 5. Now, adjective and its kinds, in that we are going to discuss about firstly what is an adjective. What is an adjective, students? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Yeah, adjective is the describing word, and about whom it is describing, more information we are getting about the noun and about the pronoun. Many time I have given the example good boy, yeah, naughty girl. Then which kind of boy? Good. Then this good goes for the describing verb for the adjective. Then naughty girl. Which kind of girl? Naughty. Then this naughty is the describing word for the girl, and this naughty comes for an adjective. Understood? Then here is also one example. Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Jane is the noun. For the this girl, one extra information we are getting. Which extra information? That is she is clever, and this clever comes for the adjective. Now we are going to see the kinds of adjective. How many kinds are there? Qualitative adjective, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective, demonstrative adjective, and distributive adjective. In your textbook, 5 adjectives are there, 5 kinds are there, that we are going to discuss in detail. Now, qualitative adjective. What is the qualitative adjective? It describes an object by telling us of what quality, of what sort, or in what state the object is as, which kind of quality it has. Taste the quality good or bad, and by this quality we are understanding that thing is good or that thing is bad of a noun or pronoun. For example, Raman is a good boy. About boy, what quality we are getting? He is a good. Yeah, that's a good comes for the qualitative adjective. He has a black dog. Which kind of dog he has? Black. Okay, this that's black is the quality of that dog. That's why it goes for the adjective of qualities. Like that, some other example I can also say. Vikas is a tall boy. Which kind of boy he is? Tall. It's a quality of that boy. That's why tall comes for the adjective of quality. My school is near from here. Okay, this near also goes for the adjective of quality. He is an intelligent student. Which kind of student he is? Intelligent. Okay, that's why intelligent comes for the student, and intelligent is the quality. That's why it is adjective of quality. Okay, it is a dirty room. Dirty, it's a bad word. Okay, but then also it is showing the quality of that room, which kind of room it is. That's why this bad also, dirty also comes for the adjective of quality. I hope that you understood quality means what, which expresses the your feature, your character, which kind of character that thing has. Okay, which quality it is has. Then now next is adjective of quantity. Quantity means which we can't count, okay, in the number like 1 2 3. Okay, it expresses like number only, but it didn't come under the category of number. It shows how much we are getting, the answer of how much or thing is mean. I did not eat any bread. Any means what number you are getting? 1 2 3, any number you are getting? No, any number we are not getting. Then also it is showing something number, any. That's why this any is coming for the quantity. There is little sugar in the pot. How much sugar? 2 tablespoon. Half pot. Okay. Full pot. Nothing. Number we are not getting. Then where we are not getting the number, that time this word goes for the quantity. Little sugar in the pot. Now next is adjective of number. By quantity we are not getting the number, but by this adjective of number we are getting the perfect idea about the number, like 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, it shows how many. Quantity was showing how much, and the number is showing how many. How many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands are. A month has 4 weeks. How many weeks? 1 2 3 4. Can you count the weeks? Yes, that's why this countable comes under the adjective of number. There are some pictures on the wall. Okay, then some means I can count the picture. One picture, two picture, three picture. Is some pictures I have kept front of me, and somebody said to me, count this some pictures. Can I count? Yes, it is easy. 1 2 3 4. That's why this some pictures means some also comes under the adjective of number. Then demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means what, students? Last year also I said to you, demonstrative means point out. By which finger we are pointing? With the pointer. Okay, and when we point out, that time we are saying this, that, those. Okay, these. Then after this, when suddenly immediately noun is coming, this pain. Then for that pain, this come. That's why this comes for the adjective. That book. Okay, then book is the noun. For noun, one adjective came, that's why that is the demonstrative adjective. Then it points out which person or thing is meant. This man is very handsome. After this, what came, students? Noun came. That's why it is going for the adjective. Those flowers are very beautiful. After those, what came, students? Flowers. Noun came. Okay, that's why those also comes for the demonstrative adjective. Now interrogative. Interrogative means what? Question. Okay, then whenever question adjectives are coming, that time it goes for the interrogative adjective. These are used with the nouns to ask question. Whose book? Now here also you can see that after whose what came? Noun came. Book. Whose book? Which way? Way. Okay, way is the noun. Before noun what came? Which. Which way shall we go on? That's why which way, whose. This whose and which goes for the interrogative adjective. In interrogative adjective as well as in the demonstrative adjective, after that word, after that adjective, immediately what is coming? Noun is coming. Because previous lesson, third lesson, you have learnt about the pronoun. Okay, if you remember, in pronoun also demonstrative pronoun was there, interrogative pronoun also there, and in that same examples were mentioned like which and whose. Then how to identify, how to differentiate this both two? Then how to differentiate? Adjective, after adjective immediately noun is coming, and in the pronoun their noun is not coming. There is the difference between noun and this pronoun. Okay, now we are going to see the some example. Whose book are you reading? Now student, guess that this whose is the interrogative pronoun or interrogative adjective. What it is? After whose what came? Book came. Immediately noun came. Yeah, immediately noun came. That's why it goes for the adjective. Which car? Now car is the noun. Yeah, and before car what came? Which came, and they both come together. There is any gap between? No. That's why which comes for the adjective. What color is this flower? Then color, for that which came. What came? Then what also comes for the adjective. And here now difference between the interrogative pronoun and the interrogative adjective. As I say, interrogative adjective, whenever we are using which, after that which immediately we are taking any noun. Which pen, which ball, whose book. Okay, then immediately what we are taking? Noun we are taking. But in pronoun we are not taking it immediately. Means how can I ask then? Which is your pen? What I asked? Which is your pen? But when I before adjective, then which pen is yours? Which is your pen and which pen is yours? There is the difference. Interrogative pronouns can stand alone. Then it replaces a noun. Interrogative adjective generally follow a noun. Interrogative adjectives cannot stand alone. It modifies a noun. Interrogative pronouns generally follow a verb. Get it, student? Pronoun and the adjective, what is the difference? Then who, whose, whom, which and what. These are the pronoun as well as adjective. And I said also how to identify both. Again I will say that after interrogative adjective, immediately noun is coming, like which pen, which ball, which color. But after pronoun, after interrogative pronoun, noun is not coming, like whose, who are these boys? Okay, who are these boys? Then that time immediately nothing came. That's why we are taking as the interrogative pronoun. Now interrogative pronouns example, see now. What is your name? What is asked? What is your name? After what came? Any noun came? No. After what noun not came? That's why this what is interrogative pronoun. Which is your favorite sport? Which, after which what came? Any noun came? No. That's why this which is also pronoun. And if I want to convert in the adjective, then how I will convert? Which sport is your favorite? Which sport is your favorite? Then this sport will come as the noun and which will go for the adjective. But here is the gap between which and sport. That's why which is coming for the pronoun. Who is your favorite singer? Then who, that is coming for the pronoun. Whom does Jim live with? This whom is also going for the pronoun. Then whose book is that? Now identify, student. What is it? After whose what came immediately? Book came. Yeah. and after immediately book came, noun came, means it is going for the adjective. Well done. Interrogative adjective. Very good. Before previous 4 that examples were of the pronoun and last example is of the adjective. Now I hope that you understood that. Now I have given this worksheet for you, today's homework. What is today's homework? This worksheet you are going to solve in the notebook, and before which your kinds are there on your page number 39. Okay, there is one tree diagram, kinds of adjective, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, interrogative adjective and demonstrative adjective. This all 5 you are going to write down in your notebook with its example, its definition as well as its example, and after that you are going to solve this worksheet in your notebook. Adjectives include words that describe what a noun looks like and what it feels like to touch, taste or smell. Find the adjectives and circle it. These all words you are going to write in your notebook, and after that only adjectives you are going to circle, not noun, not pronoun. Only and only adjective you are going to circle. Then student, do you understand today's homework? All the definitions, and after definitions this worksheet you are going to write in the your notebook, and question answers we are going to discuss in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much students, and take care and complete work in the time. Thank you so much.